Hello everyone, it's me again on another video of making coffee. So let me show you how to open this part, right? We don't use the scissor to cut it. No, we don't use that. It's very simple. You can see on the side, pull the tab to open. Yeah, like this. Wow, have a look. And then I will let you know how to make the typical coffee in Vietnam with condensed milk. 92 Celsius degree. So I keep it here so that I have a stable heat. For the small one like this, it costs you about $1. 42 it costs you about $2.50, and this one costs you about $4. Yeah. I will shake it like this to make it in a flat and drop to the plate like this. And you see the powder is about 1/3 of the whole brew chamber. Okay, and then I will carefully put this on it. Yeah, that's it. And then the amount, the water we mix with the powder in this step is similar to the amount of coffee powder. It's about 25 ml. Yeah, that's it. And waiting up to 1 minute, right? I would use the gravity press because now it's after 1 minute. I would press it a bit, not too tight. The filter put on one glass, and I will pour the rest of the water from the plate on the chamber, into the chamber, right? Fill up the both water inside. You can use the lid to close it, but you don't see, the dropping. Now we got the dropping. See, wait a bit. So this is the first Vietnamese drip coffee I do, and now I will start with the big one. Let's see how it works. Drop some boiled water inside, and then put on the powder. Absorbs the boiled water, the powder, and then I will pour the water on slowly. Yeah, I think that's it. And what I do is just wait. Looms bigger and bigger. And when waiting for 1 minute to put it on, oh, it's a lot. And the rest, I will pour them. Then I will add it on to the new class, and then I will use like some condensed milk, 1 spoon and half spoon. Mix it up. Exactly the same when I tried the coffee from a fancy, high-end coffee shop somewhere in Ho Chi Minh City. In some coffee shop, they would mix, they would blend the coffee like 70% of Robusta and 30% of Arabica, which is a lighter coffee but aromatic. And they would make a different coffee, different taste. So there is a variety of ways to make coffee in Vietnam. You are in Ho Chi Minh City and you want to get the best quality like this, yeah, you can contact me. But the price I give, I think it's really, really reasonable. A lot cheaper than you whenever you get the same quality like this in other coffee shop, high-end coffee shop, or supermarket, or somewhere reliable, or like the airport, or something like that. And on the trip, or you don't have time, and if you want to get a reliable source, it's from me for sure. Thank you for watching this video, and see you if you go to Vietnam and you want to have a trip somewhere. I will take you because I'm the tour guide. And also, if you want to taste a good coffee, I can organize a coffee show for you that you try making coffee like this with me.